Do you want to get stronger but struggle with push-ups? Do you feel like you're doing them wrong, or do you find them too hard? Don't worry. Many beginners face the same problem. Push-ups are one of the best exercises for building upper body strength, but they can be challenging if you don't know the right technique. In this guide, I will teach you everything you need to know about push-ups, including the correct form, common mistakes, beginner-friendly modifications, and tips to improve. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to do push-ups with confidence and see real progress in your fitness journey. Why push-ups are important? Push-ups are one of the most effective bodyweight exercises. They strengthen multiple muscles at the same time, including your chest, shoulders, arms, and core. Unlike other exercises that require gym equipment, push-ups can be done anywhere, anytime. Whether you are at home, in the park, or traveling, you can always do push-ups to stay fit. Regularly doing push-ups can help improve your posture, boost your endurance, and increase your overall strength. They are also great for improving your cardiovascular health, as they get your heart rate up. This simple exercise can bring big changes to your body if done correctly. Common mistakes beginners make. Before learning how to do a perfect push-up, let's talk about some common mistakes that people make. Many beginners struggle because they don't realize they are doing push-ups the wrong way. Here are a few common mistakes. Dropping the hips. Your body should form a straight line from your head to your heels. If your hips drop too low, it can put unnecessary pressure on your lower back, which can cause pain and injury. Lifting the hips too high. Some people make the mistake of raising their hips too much, which makes the push-up easier but less effective. This takes the focus away from the right muscles. Flared elbows. Your elbows should not be too far apart. If they flare out too much, it can strain your shoulders and increase the risk of injury. Keep them at about a 45-degree angle from your body. Not going low enough. A proper push-up requires you to lower yourself close to the ground. If you only go halfway down, you are not using your full range of motion, which makes the exercise less effective. Rushing through reps. Doing push-ups too fast does not help build strength. Instead, it is better to move slowly and focus on maintaining good form. Avoiding these mistakes will help you get the most out of your push-ups. Now, let's learn the correct way to do them. How to do a proper push-up step by step. Now that you know what mistakes to avoid, let's go through the correct way to do a push-up. Follow these steps to ensure you are using the right form. Start in the right position. Place your hands on the ground slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Your arms should be straight, and your fingers should be spread out for stability. Your legs should be extended straight behind you, with your feet close together. Make sure your body is in a straight line from your head to your heels. Keep your core tight and engaged. Lower yourself slowly, bend your elbows and lower your chest toward the ground in a controlled manner. Your elbows should stay close to your body at about a 45-degree angle. Go as low as you can while maintaining a straight back. Aim to lower your chest until it is just above the ground. Push back up. Once you reach the lowest point, push through your palms and extend your arms to lift yourself back up. Keep your movements slow and controlled. Do not lock your elbows at the top. Repeat the movement for the desired number of repetitions. Beginner-friendly variations. If doing a full push-up feels too hard at first, don't worry. You can start with these easier variations to build strength before progressing to standard push-ups. Wall push-ups. Stand facing a wall and place your hands on it at shoulder height. Lean forward and push against the wall, just like a regular push-up. This reduces the amount of body weight you have to lift. Incline push-ups. Place your hands on an elevated surface like a bench, table, or low wall. This makes the push-up easier while still strengthening your muscles. Knee push-ups. Instead of keeping your legs straight, rest your knees on the floor and perform the push-up. This reduces the weight you have to lift while still engaging your upper body muscles. These modifications will help you build strength so that you can progress to full push-ups over time. How many push-ups should you do? As a beginner, it's important to start with a manageable number of push-ups and gradually increase as you get stronger. Here's a simple routine to follow. Week 1 to 2, aim for 3 sets of 5 to 10 push-ups. Take a short rest between sets. Week 3 to 4, increase to 3 sets of 10 to 15 push-ups. Week 5 and beyond, try doing 3 sets of 15 to 20 push-ups or more, depending on your progress. It's more important to focus on form rather than rushing to do a high number of reps. Quality is always better than quantity. Tips to improve your push UPS. To get better at push-ups, keep these tips in mind. Warm up first, stretch your arms, shoulders, and wrists before starting to avoid injuries. Engage your core, keeping your abs tight will help maintain proper posture. Control your breathing, inhale while lowering yourself and exhale while pushing up. Maintain proper form, always keep your body in a straight line to avoid unnecessary strain. Be consistent, practice push-ups regularly, even if you can only do a few at first. Over time, you will get stronger. Final thoughts. Push-ups are one of the best exercises for building upper body strength, and they don't require any equipment. However, doing them correctly is key to avoiding injuries and seeing results. By following the correct form, avoiding common mistakes, and starting with beginner-friendly variations, you will gradually build strength and be able to do full push-ups with ease. The key is consistency, keep practicing, and you will improve over time. Now it's your turn. Get into position and try doing one perfect push-up. With patience and practice, you'll master this powerful exercise in no time. Keep pushing yourself, stay motivated, and watch your strength grow. Flexed biceps fire.